Today we are gonna be making rock candy. This is one of my favorite experiments, and I hope you like it too. So what you'll need is 3 cups sugar, 1 cup of water, food coloring, rock candy sticks, and some clothespins. Now we're ready to make our saturated solution. So what you're gonna do first is you're gonna take your water and you're gonna pour it into our pots. And now you're gonna have a grown-up turn your stovetop on. And now what you're gonna do is you're going to take a little bit of your 3 cups of sugar, just like about a cup or so. And then I'm gonna pour this into our pot. All this sugar is gonna melt and pour it in. And we're gonna keep stirring this for about 2 minutes. We would like all of the sugar to dissolve, because what we are trying to do is make a sugar solution, and when this sugar solution cools down, it will harden into our rock candy crystals. It's been 2 minutes. Now we're gonna turn it off and let it cool down for at least 15 minutes. Now, we are gonna make our rock candy sticks. I'm gonna dip these into the water. We're gonna take our sugar. Just sprinkle the sugar over our rock candy sticks. Okay, both look pretty centered. That's what we want. Next, we are ready to pour in our sugar solution. So you might want a grown-up's help for this part, because your solution will still be a little bit hot. Now we are going to take our sticks and our clothespins, and we're gonna place them. Dump this in. We are going to add some food coloring. Normally, you would put your food coloring in before you put the sticks in, but we kind of forgot. We'll let these sit, try not to move them, for a week. Now this is what these things are supposed to look like. That's so beautiful. This is the yummiest science experiment ever.